Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your study abroad application with Education First step by step clearly. To start fixing your study abroad application with Education First, gather all existing application materials. Review your personal statement for clarity and relevance. Make sure your statement reflects your motivations for studying abroad and aligns with your chosen program. Next, assess your resume or CV for accuracy and completeness. Include any relevant academic achievements. Now, check your letters of recommendation. Contact your recommenders to ensure they are aware of your application timeline. Ensure they can provide tailored letters that highlight your strengths. Next, verify that your transcripts are up to date and accurate. Request official copies if needed and ensure they are sent directly to Education First. Familiarize yourself with the application guidelines provided by Education First. Ensuring you adhere to specific formats, word counts, and deadlines is crucial. Complete any required essays or supplementary questions. Focus on demonstrating your passion for cultural exchange and academic growth. As you work through your application, seek feedback from peers or mentors. Constructive criticism can significantly enhance the quality of your submission. Before finalizing your application, double-check for any spelling or grammatical errors. Taking a moment for this review can prevent avoidable mistakes. Once you've made all necessary revisions, compile your application materials. Ensure everything is in order and follows the submission guidelines provided. Finally, submit your application with confidence, knowing it reflects your best effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.